look at my account balance right here. We have $550 in our Cash App account. Yo, what is going on, guys? Today I'm going to be sharing with you my method that I have been using recently to get a ton of money, hundreds of dollars, even a day. And I use a method with the Strimly app. Now, I can do this via Cash App or PayPal. There's a couple of different ways to do it. I'm going to show you today the Cash App version. But this is how you can get a lot of cash on Cash App, and then, of course, you can cash that out whenever you want on the Strimly app. Now, the Strimly app is pretty new, so those tools right here is the Strimly app. Download it, ready to go. Hold on a second. But firstly, let's just go ahead, open it up, kind of take a look in the app, walk around it. So right now I have 86,000 coins. Now I'm saving up for something, but you can get coins by watching Twitch streams like this, or maybe if you want to watch YouTube videos, which is what I've been doing recently. I'll just watch YouTube videos while I work. I'll have them in the background, like listen to a podcast or whatever. And I mean, listen, you can book these moments in the NBA. I was already going to watch this George Not Found video, but now I can make money watching it, apparently. You can listen to music. It's all kinds of stuff. And if you run out of options here, you can always load more. And then you can go to this withdrawal function up there, and you can select how you want your payout. You can Fortnite, Tinder, Roblox, Bitcoin, PayPal, but of course today, we're going to be doing Cash App. Now, you can do 10, 20, 35, 50, up to $100. And guys, it is pretty easy to do this. You just have to put your cash tag right down there, the withdrawal address, and then it will cash it up for you. Now, like I said, I'm saving up for something, but just to prove that I have done it before, I did a $25 Cash App payout right up there, and that was only a couple of minutes. I'm watching YouTube and all that kind of stuff, so it's kind of a no-brainer. But you're probably wondering, okay, then how do I get it? How do I get it? How does it work? It doesn't even work. So first off, let me go ahead and jump on over to my Cash App so I can even show you guys what we're looking at. Look at my account balance right here. We have $550 in our Cash App account that I have just been generating that over and over again. Now, I use my Cash Card. I don't actually cash out the cash, but you can. That's what my buddy did yesterday on his Android, so you can actually send that straight to your bank account if you want to take it off of the Cash App, but I do use my Cash Card, so it is a little bit different. But how you actually get the Strimly app is a little bit different as well. You are going to need to go to strimly.com, this website right here. So Strimly, STRIMLY.co. Type that in and go to this website right here. How it works, obviously, is you pay simply for engagement. So basically, these people are like YouTube, Twitch, taking surveys, downloading these apps and all that kind of stuff. I'm sure you guys are familiar with it, but what I really like about Strimly is the rewards being so great. These are really good payouts. So just go to this website right here, and then if you're on an Android, click that. If you're on an iPhone, click that. It'll walk you through it. It's super simple. And yeah, I mean, that's how you guys can get all of this stuff at no cost. And that only costs you is really the time that you put into watching the YouTube videos, which I'm sure if you're watching this YouTube video, you do a lot. So hopefully I was able to help you guys out with that. I know a couple people are confused, but just go ahead and watch the video again, and I promise it'll make sense. Thanks so much, guys. Enjoy.